Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. We had someone ask about the dimensions in our garage. This is a 14-foot garage with a half bath, an optional half bath in it. I'm going to show you some measurements from the back with the ramp door closed to the half bath area. And so take a look at this. We've got our we got a measurement here from the back of the ramp door all the way to where the half bath sets. Now we can position this half bath one of two ways, this way, or we can position it long way so that it gives you some different dimensions and a longer space to put. So what we've got here, if you take a look here, you can see this. We've got approximately 9 foot 8 inches to that wall here. Now I'm going to step back and give you a width. So if I pull this out, give you a width, and I'll give you a dimension from the side wall to that first tie down there. So what we're getting here is approximately a width of approximately 8 feet. I don't know if you can see that there, but I've got just about 8 feet there, maybe shy of about 1/4 of an inch. Now from the wall to the tie down, you're looking at almost 9 inches, between 8.5 and 9 inches. So let me get you another dimension here. We'll look at the total length of this garage. Let me set my camera down, and we'll get you a total length. Now this will be from the ramp door all the way up to where the kitchen wall is, and we're getting approximately just over 14 feet. So this is from the ramp door, and I'll give you a look at this. Just about little over 14 feet there. So hey, give us a call and ask us about our 14-foot garage, ask us about our tie downs and how we do that. We actually screw these into the chassis frame, so you're getting a lot of benefits from our construction. So hey, give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com, and you have a great day.